What if I told you that a humble 2p coin from 1979, just a pence, could be worth hundreds of thousands or even an unbelievable millions of pounds today? Welcome to the world of rare British coin errors, where a tiny minting mistake could turn your ordinary change into a life-changing jackpot. In this video, we're diving deep into the most rare and valuable 1979 Elizabeth II new pence error coins, 19,790 to pence bronze error. Sold for £9,000 in 2017, 1979 to P off center, sold privately for £5,500. 1979 to P wrong planchet, estimated £30,000 plus, confirmed by collectors forums and appraisal sites. Rumored trial strikes still attract private offers in the £70,000 plus range, especially from overseas buyers. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you might be racing to check your piggy bank or pocket. You could be sitting on a hidden fortune, the history behind the 1979 to P coin. To understand the value and rarity of the 1979 to P error coin, we need to rewind to the United Kingdom's decimalization era, which officially began on February 15, 1971. During this time, the UK transitioned from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to a more streamlined decimal system. New coins, such as the P, 1p, and 2p, were introduced. When the 2p coin was first released in 1971, it featured the words new pence on the reverse side, distinguishing the new decimal currency from the older, pre-decimal issues. This design stayed in circulation until 1982, when the Royal Mint changed the legend from new pence to 2 pence, reflecting that the decimal system was now fully integrated, and there was no longer a need for the word new. But before this transition, millions of 2p coins were struck with the new pence wording, including the 1979 issue. On the surface, these coins may look completely ordinary. But here's where it gets interesting: 1979 to P error varieties. Most 1979 to P coins are common and worth face value, but a handful of extremely rare mint errors have turned up that collectors are desperately hunting for. Let's explore the most valuable and desirable 1979 to P errors, off-center strikes valued at £2,500, £8,000. Sometimes, the coin blank planchet isn't properly aligned when struck by the dies. This causes the design to be misaligned or off-center. A major off-center strike on a 1979 new pence to P can raise the coin's value to £8,000 depending on the severity. Double strikes valued at £7,000, £15,000. These errors occur when a coin is struck more than once, either from being stuck in the press or mishandled during the striking process. A clear double strike on both the queen's profile and reverse wording can make the coin extremely desirable. One known 1979 to P double strike coin sold at auction for over £12,000. Wrong planchet errors valued at £30,000, £55,000. This is where the big value begins. Imagine a 1979 new pence coin struck on the wrong metal, like a 1p blank bronze or a foreign blank. This minting mistake is incredibly rare and highly prized. A known example of a 1979 to P struck on a bronze 1p planchet fetched an estimated £30,000 at a private sale. Experts suggest if another appears with certification and high grade, its value could exceed £55,000. Misaligned die clash or ghosting valued at £10,000, £18,000. If the obverse and reverse die strike, without a coin blank between them, the clash leaves a ghost image or distortion on the next struck coins. Some 1979 to P coins show Elizabeth's portrait faintly mirrored on the reverse, known as a die clash or ghosting. These can fetch £10,000 plus, especially when well preserved and slabbed by professional graders. Unrecorded trial strike valued at £76,000 plus, and finally, the Holy Grail. There are rumors and unconfirmed sightings of unrecorded 1979 trial strike coins, including one with no denomination inscription at all, or struck in a non-standard alloy like aluminum. If confirmed and authenticated, these could command prices well beyond £76,000, as no official record of such pieces exists in the Royal Mint archives. This makes them not only rare, but potentially unique, and uniqueness in numismatics often equals extraordinary value. Authentication, grading, and provenance. Before you start selling your coin on eBay for £76,000, authentication and grading are crucial. How to authenticate, weight, and metal test. A genuine teepee from 1979 should weigh 7.12 grams and be made of bronze. If yours weighs significantly more or less, it might be on a wrong planchet. Die alignment and detail. Get the alignment checked under magnification for doubled edges, rotated dies, or weak strikes. Mint certification. For ultra-rare errors, professional authentication from NGC or PCG's UK is essential. Grading. A coin graded MS65 or higher mint state can significantly multiply its value. Grading adds credibility and beer trust, especially for six-figure auctions, market demand, and auction records. Coin collectors worldwide, especially from the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, are competing for rare decimal errors, driving prices up fast. Notable auction results: 1979 teepee bronze error, sold for £9,000 in 2017. 1979 teepee off-center, sold privately for £5,500. 1979 teepee wrong planchet, estimated £30,000 plus, confirmed by collectors forums and appraisal sites. Rumored trial strikes still attract private offers in the £70,000 plus range, especially from overseas buyers. Collectors are increasingly turning to online marketplaces like Spink, DNW, and Baldwin's, as well as private Facebook coin groups, to locate rare teepee coins. The demand is surging. How to check your 1979 teepee coin. Here's a step-by-step way to check if your 1979 teepee coin might be one of the rare and valuable ones. Inspect the legend. It should say New Pence, not to Pence. Check for errors. Look for off-center strike. Check for doubling in the Queen's portrait or the wording. Weigh it precisely on a jeweler's scale. Examine the color. Is it bronze, copper, or something unusual? Use a loupe or magnifier. Search for die cracks, clash marks, or ghost images. Seek professional help. If you suspect a rare error, contact a coin grading service or visit a local numismatist. Future value predictions. With coin collecting growing exponentially in recent years and a new generation of collectors entering the market, the value of rare British era coins continues to rise. Experts predict that confirmed wrong planchet 1979 teepee coins could exceed £65,000 in public auctions within the next 5 years. A trial strike discovery could break records, possibly reaching or exceeding £100,000. Major auction houses best for £10,000 plus coins. These professional firms are trusted by collectors and can get you top dollar. Spink & Son UK, London-based, world-renowned for rare British coins. Website: Spink.com. DNW Dix Noonan Web hosts regular coin auctions in the UK with high-end buyers. Website: dnw.co.uk. Heritage Auctions USA-based, but global reached, ideal for extremely rare coins and international exposure. Website: ha.com. Tip: auction houses typically charge 10 to 20% commission, but can get record-breaking prices. eBay UK, good for mid-range coins. If your coin is verified and you have clear pictures and a grading report, eBay is great for reaching thousands of buyers. List as 1979 teepee error, rare Elizabeth II coin, possible wrong planchet, graded. Start bidding or set a high buy it now price. Use auction-style listings to build excitement. Caution: watch out for low ballers. Only sell graded or certified coins here. Facebook groups and coin forums. Engage with experienced collectors who know the real value. Facebook groups: British Error Coins and Banknotes. UK Coin Errors, Rare Coins Collectors UK. Forums. These places allow private negotiation, and sometimes no seller fees. Local coin dealers and coin shows. Visit reputable dealers in your city. Bring grading certificates or expert evaluations. Great for immediate cash, but offers might be lower than auctions.